boxing world is that surprise. Prospect,
well,
he got caught cold.
I think now there's the question that was asked of him, he did not answer.
He can come back
the way a fighter is supposed to. George, you're
number one in the Ring Magazine rankings, unaffected by politics for more than a year.
Talley's trying to put his man down. Sanders wobbles with 10 seconds left in the round. Referee watching closely. Looks like Corey, unbelievable show of courage by Corey Sanders. The comeback it would be for Sanders if he came back and won the fight. Staggers Vitali. 10 seconds to go in the round.
Pertandingan tinju kelas berat antara Vitali Klitschko versus Corey Sanders yang disebut sebagai Let the Next Era Begin adalah pertandingan tinju profesional yang diadakan pada tanggal 24 April 2004 untuk memperebutkan gelar juara kelas berat WBC. Pada tahun 2003, Corey Sanders mengalahkan Wladimir Klitschko untuk memperebutkan sabuk WBO.
well, no, I think now there's the question that was asked of him.
Setelah melepaskan sabuk WBO tersebut, Corey Sanders setuju untuk menghadapi Vitali Klitschko untuk memperebutkan gelar WBC yang kini kosong. Saat memasuki pertarungan, Vitali Klitschko menduduki peringkat sebagai kelas berat terbaik di dunia menurut majalah The Ring, sedangkan Corey Sanders berada di peringkat ketiga. Pada ronde pertama, Corey Sanders membuka laga dengan agresif dengan pukulan kiri khasnya yang berhasil memenangkan ronde ini di ketiga kartu skor juri. Pukulan kiri keras yang ia lemparkan membuat Vitali Klitschko benar-benar di bawah tekanan.
Anything solid so did a year ago in Germany against Fluff. Maybe already he feels like this is a different thing, but Sanders lands a left and now lands a quick right over the top.
Goes and how Vitali is more defensive when Sanders.
There's a big left hand from Sanders and Vitali Klitschko took it pretty well and comes back with a right of his own. Takes another left. The thunder has begun with a minute to go in round one. Now the landed punt. Now Corey Sanders. Then was the case last year for an younger brother. Hard left hand. Staggers Vitali. Vitali Klitschko staggered by a Sanders left. Vitali trying to hold on as Sanders tries to follow up. 10 seconds to go in the round. And it's going to be called a knockdown.
That short, hard left hand by Sanders. There's nothing. As Sanders is deliberately trying to bait Klitschko in, and six.
Sanders left failed to make clean contact. Vitali just dodging the straight left that time. Square be getting ready to lash out with one of those. Body shots by Sanders, backing Vitali off. Vitali goes back after it. Not doing much in round two. Seemingly low on energy.
Just waiting for the home run. He's doing depends on one punch.
And Sanders having to reach a little.
Ronde ketiga merupakan ronde terbaik di sepanjang pertarungan. Pertukaran pukulan secara intens terjadi di antara kedua petinju. Aksi saling jual beli serangan terus berlanjut meskipun belum mampu mengalahkan satu sama lain.
Big left hand from Sanders stuns Vitali. Klitschko backing up in trouble. Gets hit again. Last minute of the third round, Vitali. Slugfest in the center of the ring. Vitali pounds him twice with the right hand. And some lefts. Big right hand by Klitschko.
Whoa! This is one of the best heavyweight rounds we have seen in years.
To fight Vladimir. And Sanders was finally the one who said yes for 125 grand. Best deal he ever made.
Pada ronde kelima, Vitali Klitschko mendominasi penuh pertandingan. Ia memanfaatkan keunggulan jangkauan dan tinggi badan untuk terus menekan dengan jab panjang yang ia lemparkan. Corey Sanders yang hanya bisa bertahan dan sedikit melakukan pukulan balasan.
It's a one-shot strategy he seems to be following now. He's not even making it.
Just what's in front of him. Big right hand lands for Klitschko.
Sanders is hurt.
He wobbled on that one. Vitali's trying to put his man down. Sanders wobbles with 10 seconds left in the round. Referee watching closely. Looks like Corey's going to make it out of the round, but none the better for wear. Down the stretch.
Memasuki ronde ke-6 dengan tenaga yang tersisa, Corey Sanders bangkit kembali dan berhasil mengejutkan Vitali Klitschko dengan hook kiri keras yang ia lemparkan. Namun Vitali Klitschko berdiri kokoh, menunjukkan dagu baja dan daya tahan luar biasa, serta memberikan balasan yang lebih tajam.
Change the fight.
Sanders gets in a left as Vitali Klitschko, getting offensive, opened himself up. Corey Sanders trying to stem the tide with his right hand. Puts him straight. Oh, big left hand knocks Vitali back. What a comeback it would be for Sanders if he came back and won the fight after what happened in the last round. A bloody Corey Sanders trying to close in. Big right hand by Klitschko. Sanders still coming. Boy, Corey. Neither of those landed as cleanly as the first. Big left hand swing by Sanders, and Klitschko gets in a couple more. How much longer can Corey Sanders take those right hand bombs? And it's Klitschko dominating again.
This round, but he really didn't have the energy to follow up on it because Klitschko was smart and pull himself together so he could land punches like that.
This man down.
Relatively few clinches in this fight.
Ali shows you a little variety as he goes upstairs, then back to the body. Sanders tries two more big sweeps.
Corey Sanders berusaha dengan sisa tenaga dan sempat melancarkan dua pukulan hook yang keras yang berhasil mengenai Klitschko. Namun balasan dari Vitali Klitschko lebih brutal. Sebuah pukulan kanan dari Vitali membuat Sanders goyah dan langsung diikuti dengan sekitar 20 rentetan pukulan tanpa balas yang membuat wasit harus menghentikan pertarungan pada menit kedua 46 detik di ronde ke-8.
Right hands, and they're trading big time again. Just when I said the action had slowed, now they're trading power shots. Vitali landed a right, Sanders landed another left. Straight right hand stops Sanders in his tracks. Left hook lands, right hand lands. What a show of courage by Corey Sanders as he takes shot after shot.
He's ready to go, Jim.
And Vitali Klitschko is going to try to finish it right here. Unbelievable show of courage by Corey Sanders.
What keeps him up? That's it.
Finally, the referee rescues Sanders, and Vitali Klitschko stakes his claim. Vitali Klitschko stakes his claim.
Pertarungan ini tidak hanya menjadi ajang perebutan gelar WBC, tetapi juga menjadi momen balas dendam Vitali Klitschko atas kekalahan saudaranya di tangan Sanders tahun sebelumnya. Vitali Klitschko juga mengakui bahwa Corey Sanders adalah lawan yang paling tangguh yang pernah ia hadapi, menyebut gaya bertarungnya yang cepat dan memiliki pukulan yang sangat kuat.
Finally, in the 8th round, Corey Sanders' left hand was no longer really rocking Vitali Klitschko, and as Klitschko ran out of gas, he cornered him against the ropes and began systematically to break him up. And at that point, California referee John Shorrow stepped in and said, enough.